walked into a cobweb. Right in my face. It's a sign that it's time to clean. I just emptied the vacuum cleaner barrel and I don't know what was in there. It was from the attic. It could be mouse teeth in there. I don't know. That's really gross. Now what was gross was the attic. Alright, time to empty the garbage. It's on its hairbrush. I just moved our hairbrush. What is this now? Oh, we have all sorts of shapes of brushes. I have about 9 combs. Mom, you've been distracted lately. Well, yeah, since I have 80,000 things to do. Okay. I'm not going to comment on that. What? It's something I found in the trash. I want to know. Now, here, empty this trash. I'm going to find a cockroach and just know what they're always in here. Be like, hey, Larry! How are you today? No, it's worse than a cockroach. It's hair. Is it time to vacuum yet? There's no room to vacuum. There's too much stuff in the way. I'll be fine. Here. I want to turn that room into a craft room so bad. I don't know. We might be able to do a little something with it. Who was the last person that wrapped up the vacuum cleaner cord? Because this is crazy. This looks like jungle rope. What? Kids, you know my back is bad. I can't be unwinding that. I didn't do it. Somebody did. And I'm sure it wasn't me. Could have been you. I have double math tomorrow and I'm not happy. Actually, should I leave the attachment on or take it off? Well, are these like the big questions when you get older? You gotta keep that on for the air suction. So it'll come through here. Wow! I'm not fascinated. Just vacuum the floor. I get to do it myself? All by my onesie? Okay, here we go. I am the vacuumator. Ooh. I'm perplexed that the stains aren't coming up out of the carpet while I'm vacuuming though. Put that on my wish list. You have an on my mind list and a wish list? Or I'm confused. And a things I want list. And a to-do list. Wow. That's a lot of things right there. That's an awful lot of things. Kitch, could you aim for the floor a little bit? I am getting the floor. What are you thinking? And here, pick up this cord. There. You don't want the cord, you know, run it over while you're vacuuming. I didn't want that. But I thought it would be fun nonetheless. There's too much cord in the way. How are you supposed to vacuum? I was vacuuming between the beds. Between the beds? Okay. There's carpet there, silly. Oh. Well. Mom, this cord is driving me crazy. What am I supposed to do? You're supposed to pick up the cord so you can vacuum. Okay, but that'll like totally slow me down. Here, stop the vacuum. Stop it. Stop. Here. Like this. Here, move your chair. Did you get back by your vaudeville case? I don't remember. It all went by so fast. Move the humidifier, move the trash. I did not sign up for moving furniture, I signed up for vacuuming, so. Well, it's all part of it there. That's okay. Under the desk. Here. Shut it off and you put everything back. Wow. Is this what you go through every week? Because I'm not into this. I am not into this. The humidifier needs its own blankie. Alright, and then now vacuum where the cord was. Pick it up, shut the door, and then here, now you vacuum this. Okay, let me see if I can get turned around. Woohoo! I'm vacuuming now. I had a strange dream about a western shop that was selling Kentucky rifle things and wildfire things. And I don't know all what else, but it was strange. Okay, I'm done. Let me see how much dirt I got. Ew, I'm sorry, I looked. Alright, put the heater back. Heater back, heater back. Can't plug it in though, because we're gonna have to move all of this stuff, if I'm not mistaken. Hearsay? Get it? Hearsay? That was kind of funny. It was funny. Is this a medium floor, bare floor? I don't know. try bare floor maybe, because this has gotten really bad over time. I'm getting stuff out of my way like a good munchkin. Close the bathroom door. Or I won't if my cup falls over. Okay, the hall's a straight shot. Yes, it's not on bare floor. What? It's not on bare floor. I am, I'm vacuuming the floor. No, you're setting, honey, it's not on bare floor. What? Here. There. Bare floor. Oh, you're having a seizure. Now it's sucking up all the dirt better. Move your cord, honey. You say honey, but really you're exasperated with me. I like when people do that. Oh, a lot of dirt around here. Pick up the cord. Ah, I heard you this time. Is that dirt or those are paint splotches? Paint splotches, even better. And here I thought it was dirt that we could actually get rid of. There's a fuzzy I'm bound to get. Ooh, that was not a fuzzy. I don't know what it was. Okay, that's enough. Oops. What happened? Nothing. I just dropped some cups. They have nothing in them, don't worry. I don't know why vacuuming brings out the cowgirl in me, but it does. Alright, is that the upstairs done? Yeah. Doesn't look great, but it is. Doesn't look great, but it is. That's upstairs. Now we have downstairs in the basement. We're gonna have to vacuum again before Dad's birthday party. Just gonna say that to cause pressure and anxiety. Ah, these DVDs are out of control. That looks a little nicer. Not really. Oh dear. We'll fix her up. What are we doing? Radio? It's cleaning music right there. I don't know what kind of music that is. Pledge. I pledge. All the extra stuff I don't care about. What does that mean to me? Who is cleaning? I mean, all this extra stuff like the DVDs being a wreck. I don't care about that. I just want the general surfaces. Organizing is another puppy. Another puppy? I wonder what outside is doing. Porches are usually dirty. No, it's just the front porch usually. I covered up the ghost here, my ghost table, and he's been named Eugene. Eugene the ghost. Wow, Dr. House is in a casual shirt on the front of this DVD. That doesn't happen often. Why, it must be season 5. Just being a jerk. Knowing things. What is ground all over here? Cookies? Yeah, it looks like cookies. What? Let me see. Oh my gosh. There's a pile the size of an anthill of ground cookies. You know, we needn't wonder why we have ants and roaches and stuff. Mice. Well, I do wonder because I clean the house and there's no excuse for this. There is. You have kids. I don't know if you know this, but you have kids. Why is there a poinsettia in our... There's a poinsettia growing, Mom. That's not real, honey. Someone did that as a joke. Putting a poinsettia in our flower box. Oh. Ha ha! That's so funny. I thought I was losing my mind. That's a scream. That's about where I'm at with jokes. How amusing. We thought we were going crazy. I bet your dad found that in the basement. I bet he did. He cleaned up down there real nice. It looks really nice now. It inspires me. Well, it inspired me to help you clean, actually. We gotta clean our computer screen or something, though, because I don't want to be filming any more Sterling over all that dirt. I can't take this, Don Juan music anymore. Let me see.
Friends advertising. Would you rescue me? Would you rescue me? What about myself? Simple, because they charge 40%, which is way more than 25%.
Really? Wow, guess what the radio guy said? He said 40% is way more than 20%.
You get $1 million. So used to losing, you're afraid to try again.
Okay, I miss it when the Shadow and like the Lone Ranger were on the radio. See, that's the thing they quote. You like my hair? Gee, thanks, just bought it. Alright. Done one is, I don't know what. Making it over the castle walls now. We almost done. You wanted to help. I wanted to help. I didn't want to do like all of it. We're hardly doing any of it. This is only some of the cleaning. Let me get all the black glitter off of here. That's what Halloween decorating will do to you. Black glitter everywhere, orange glitter everywhere. Yeah. Well, there are real cobwebs. I didn't have to buy any this year. We got to clean the candy dishes before we put candy in it, because yikes. And we're gonna clean this table right and proper. See, I'm turning, it's the Western thing again. I can't help myself. We're gonna clean this table spotless when it's actual party time. Because this stuff is just unacceptable. There's rocks on our chairs and a dead moth. How does this happen? I clean every week. And every week it gets dirty again. Spooky. Kitch, did you just put pledge on the kitchen table? No. Alright, that took way too long to answer. Kitch, it's filthy. It has a film all its own, like, growing on here. I think it's time. Any cookies left? No, which means this cookie jar needs to be washed. If you can hear your voice echoing in the cookie jar, it means it's time to wash it. Ooh, what a sad sound. An echoing cookie jar? Well, I was not prepared for there to be a candle in that candle holder right now. I was not prepared for that. Ugh, I don't want to do double math tomorrow. Explain to me why you have to do double math again? I don't even know what that is. You have to do 2 sessions of math. Well, why? Did you get behind? No, it's just something we're doing now. That makes no sense. Now you're catching on what school is like. No, it kind of makes sense. We didn't miss any, but we're going to do double math for the next time we miss some. How about a break? Thank you. You come to my school and, like, mention that, because how about a break? I would like to know. That's the thing, I have to spend a whole day in the kitchen or a whole day over here or over there. It's just too much. Canister's just sticking. Wow, and then it's going to be time to make dinner. Kitch, are you sure you, like, want to grow up? Because, no, I do not want to grow up. I do not. What now? What else could there be, possibly? The basement that you also already mentioned yourself? Ah, me and my big mouth. Now it's pepping up when we have to shut it off. Maybe I'll play something in the basement. Mom, you hold that rag like you were holding a fancy handkerchief. That's just a dust rag. It's dirty everywhere. Dun, 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 dun. Am I annoying? Ew, not at all. I don't believe you. Liar, liar. Oh my god, there's a cobweb, like, going from the wall to our computer. You know what? Should I clean the mouse and stuff first before we actually get online? Because that usually changes things quite a bit. Fritzy, fritzy, fritzy. Fritzy spray. You know, I'm thinking about not even doing my own show anymore and just coming over and hanging out with you, because this is an experience. No, please, do your own show still. Okay. By popular demand. You know, it's hard to clean a mouse, especially when it's got whiskers. Ha! This one is not. Oh my gosh. It is so filthy. It is beyond filthy. Get clean! Catch, that's not the way. That's not the way? You sounded like a Batman, like, guru or something. Like a teacher. It's not the way. Was that the Star Wars? Use the way of the Force. Gotta see all of those again. We wonder why we have sticky keys. I do not wonder. I am far too aware. This stuff is gross. Bing. And we need the electronics rag. I'm bored. I'm bored. I haven't been online for 2 seconds. I'm bored. I have to know what's happening. You never look at the news. I mean, on Friends. I need to know what's happening, like, in my world, not other people's world. Wow, that lamp was never dusted out of fear because the last lamp we had exploded when we dusted it, so I know what that's like. Okay. Okay, it's time to go online now. Why is everything so hard to clean? I am literally cleaning this with an electronics rag and, like, more dust is getting on it and it's getting really agitating. We have enough stuff now. Yeah, you see what it's like? I mean, I could spend a whole day just running around cleaning all my rock collection, you know? Yeah, I do now. Welcome to my world. Won't you come on in? Welcome to my dreams. I don't know if it goes like that, but, you know, it's close. Alright, no more fuzzy things over Sterling's face. I'm filming now. Watch me turn the entire computer off by dusting. Or better yet, the entire computer system for, like, everyone in the world. Just because I dusted. Boy, would people be mad. Also, civilization as we know it would cease to exist. So, I'm going to dust a little bit more carefully by the electronics. That's what I've been thinking. And after all of this, after all the dusting, we still have to vacuum? Are you kidding me? This is like a lot. Whoa, Mom, don't just move my clay eyeballs around Harry Carey. I'm sorry. They're gonna roll away. They're eyeballs. What color are you gonna paint them? I am going to make, I think, black and orange eyeballs. Maybe. Or I might have someone else do it, like Star. She likes doing crafts too. Yeah, but Halloween's only 1 month. And I want Halloween all the time. Every day is Halloween. But then also, every day must be Christmas. So I don't know how I'm gonna like... Oh, that is a spider. Oh, okay, sorry. I thought it was just a fuzzy. And then it started moving and going, hey, what are you doing? Because the spiders sound like Mickey Mouse, I guess. I don't know.